Hey, how you doing today? I'm Rhino with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I've been working here with John and the family for 7 years. It's the only job I've ever had when I came to the island. I love working here. I just want to go over a few things about the vehicles that when we get in here and what we do to them. Before any car gets our Pre-Owned Motor Cars of Hawaii seal of approval, it has to pass these three critical checks. First, the engine oil and filter. Here on the Big Island, we change oil every 3 to 5,000 miles, not 10 like on the mainland. Why? It's a good question. VOG, that's volcanic smog from Kilauea. The sulfur dioxide creates acid buildup that breaks down oil faster. Second, both air filters, engine air filter and the cabin AC filter. Volcanic dust from the lava rock and the roads clogs up these quick. Clean filters mean your engine breathes easy and your AC stays cooler. Third, complete safety inspection, including brakes, lights, wipers, belts, hoses. Every car gets up to 2 hours of inspection because island driving demands reliable vehicles. That's how John's 50 years of island experience protects you as a consumer. So why don't you visit us down here on Kuakini Highway, right next to McDonald's, in beautiful downtown Kailua, Kona. And you can also call us at 808-334-1111. We sell cars with Aloha. Mahalo.